Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got your other video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and collect new shields on Monopoly Go. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For the matter, the very first thing would be for you to simply access your Monopoly Go on your mobile phone, and then the thing that you have to know is that for you to get the shields is just simply by playing the game itself. You can see now I have collected the shields over there. If I tap on that seals icon on top, I will be able to see the seals information. I can tap on it and I can see the Etna. It is equipped for us, and here in the section this one is the only open. I need to collect this and this for me to have them. So in the shield section I only have this one. Now I can cross this out, and if you would like to collect the shield, the simple way for you to simply start playing in the Go, and if you simply reach this shields over here, you can see you will collect the money including the shield for you, and you can see in the board you can see the shields icon here in plenty of the places. Once you start playing and your dice reaches you to the shields, you will be able to access yourself that particular shield for you. Now you can see now we have got the shutdown. We can simply choose a one and we can collect the money. We go back and now we have collected ourselves the money likewise, and for the shields as well, just have to simply play along till you get and win it. Once you win it, it will simply be collected over here. You can tap on it and you can check out the information regarding it. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.